Newman's Own Light Caesar Dressing. Newman's Own Light Ranch. Newman's Own Light Creamy Caesar Dressing. Newman's Own Creamy Caesar Dressing. Newman's Own Light Olive Oil and Vinegar Dressing. Newman's Own Roasted Garlic Balsamic Light Vinaigrette. Newman's Own Sun-Dried Tomato Light Vinaigrette. Newman's Own Tex-Mex Dressing. Newman's Own Light Caesar Dressing. Newman's Own Poppy Seed Dressing. Newman's Own Blue Cheese Dressing. Newman's Own Light French Vinaigrette Dressing. Newman's Own Light Sesame Thai Dressing. Newman's Own Light Italian Dressing. Newman's Own Red Wine Vinegar. Newman's Own Classic Dressing. Newman's Own 3-Cheese Balsamic Vinaigrette. Newman's Own Greek Vinaigrette. Newman's Own Cranberry Walnut Light Vinaigrette. Newman's Own Greek with Feta. Newman's Own Creamy Balsamic Dressing. Newman's Own Balsamic Dressing. Newman's Own Lime Light Vinaigrette. Newman's Own Honey Mustard Light Dressing. Newman's Own Honey French Dressing. Newman's Own Light Balsamic Vinaigrette. Newman's Own Sesame Ginger Low-Fat Dressing. Newman's Own Italian Dressing. Newman's Own French Dressing. Newman's Own Raspberry Walnut. Newman's Own Ranch Dressing. Newman's Own Olive Oil and Vinegar Dressing. Newman's Own Caesar Dressing. Newman's Own Family Recipe Italian Dressing. Newman's Own Balsamic Vinaigrette.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.